Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Search Central for SEO updates and best practices, complete guide step by step clearly.
In the address bar, type Google Search Central and press enter.
You will see the official site appear in the search results.
Click on the link that leads to Google Search Central's homepage.
This option is often located in the top navigation menu or the footer. Now, you will be directed to a page with various subscription options.
You may see options for newsletters, updates, and blog posts. Choose the specific options that interest you for SEO updates. When you select an option, you will typically need to enter your email address. Fill in the required fields with your email information. After entering your email, check for any confirmation boxes. Make sure to confirm if you agree to the terms of service. Click that button to complete your subscription. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and look for the subscription confirmation message. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. This will finalize your subscription and activate the updates. You can revisit Google Search Central anytime for additional resources. By following these steps, you are now connected to important SEO news and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.